Wow, I just found out I had a front-facing camera light. I didn't know that. Look at it's so freaking bright, it's blinding me. Anyways, welcome back to my channel, Life of Chuck. Or should I, as Anthony says, it's Chuck in the van in Vancouver. Anyways, just finished napping, waking up. Time to go to work right away. I ran out of time. As you've seen in my last video, I had worked on the van and it's not fixed. So I'm going to take the Skytrain to work today instead of driving because I really don't trust this thing from breaking down. So I got to get my ass together, make a batch of coffee, and let's go to the Skytrain. What the hell? I'm going to take you guys along. So anyways, yeah, look at, I learned a new trick. I have a front-facing camera light. Wow, cheers. Thanks, guys, for that. Oh, if you haven't subscribed to my video yet, go ahead, do so, because you get to see this ugly face a little more. Anyways, oh, yeah. Thank you to all the new subscribers from Pusa, from Anthony's channel. Anthony's awesome. I love his videos. And maybe from Cammy Awards, possibly, and who else did I do? Yeah, there's a couple others I've been relating to, so it has increased my subscriber total. So cheers, guys. Let's go to get my ass in gear. Okay, this is an interesting scenario I found myself in. I'm interrupting my editing video here. They closed down the Skytrain station because, I guess as the sign says, transit alert, low heat station closed due to medical emergency. And I guess what they're gonna do is, I found out by accident and I didn't realize, have to get on a bus and they take you to the next station. My understanding is they closed off the low heat station due to medical emergency, but somebody said somebody had jumped onto the railway tracks. So who knows? I don't know. It's also my understanding that this is track maintenance, changed trains at Columbia. That's a different one, I think. Anyways, yeah, my understanding is that it happens quite often. Every once in a while, somebody decides to end it, and kind of strange because last video I talked that, you know what? Yeah, life, you have to deal with your challenges or else it festers up like a bacteria and ruins you. And that's sometimes what happens. Somebody doesn't deal with their problems, it festers up, and then they jump in front of a train. Yeah, sad thing. So this has happened to us second time, actually. This happened a month ago, where the train was stopped due to this type of situation. Anyways, let's get off this subject and off of to the next, figure out how to do this. Anyways, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I think he's probably going back with these people now.
The train was blocked guys, there.
The front door, please! The front door! What did you say? Sorry?
Front door. Yeah,
the front door? Thank you.
I don't know, I've never taken this one either.
This one?
Over here. I think so.
Oh, yeah.
I'm confused too. Okay, my friends, yesterday I did the video on the Skytrain, and yes, they announced it today that somebody did die on this on the Skytrain. They didn't say the reason why, but yeah, it's been, well, it was known or in the rumor mill that somebody jumped in front of it. Anyways, it rained all day, so I stayed here and downloaded and uploaded and edited videos. So I wasn't able to work on the car today because of the rain. I didn't feel like standing out there getting soaking wet. So it seems like everywhere the Christmas lights are slowly starting to pop up. So even the cranes in town have their colors glowing bright. So that looks pretty cool, actually. Alright. Good morning, good day, my friends. It's another new day, a new beginning here in Vancouver. And you know what? I got something special today in this video. We're going to end it off with something very special. This weekend is the Cammy Awards, or actually I think the final nomination for the Cammy Awards. What the hell's a Cammy Awards, you ask? Well, it used to be called the Bottom of YouTube Awards, the Boyd Awards, and I guess it has changed this year to, they call it Cammy Awards for some reason. I don't know why, and I'll put some kind of link in the description, or I'll put a link up here and you guys can see it. So, Bottom of YouTube and van life seems to go together, and today we've come down to the river, under the bridge, and we're gonna do an interview with somebody who should have been nominated, at least I think, and didn't get nominated. So come on, let's go check this out. So yeah, let's just give it a little check and see if someone's inside, and maybe we can interview somebody who does substandard videos and is the bottom of YouTube. So I don't know if anybody's home. Hold on. You know what? There might be somebody inside. I seen movement. Let's try again.
Who's there? Who's there? What do you want? I'm trying to sleep here. Can you, leave me alone?
Sir? I'm just wondering if we could do a quick interview with you. I know you wanted to be nominated for the Cammy Awards, the Bottom of YouTube, and just trying to get your opinion on it, that's all.
You know, I'm trying to sleep here. I work all night, so in the day I try and sleep, so I'd appreciate it maybe just leaving me to sleep.
Sir, you know, I just want 1 minute of your time just to do a quick interview. You know, I've heard that Eric, Nomadic Fanatic, was nominated for the Best Bottom of YouTube Video Creator, and that Black Bigot was also nominated for the award, Bottom of YouTube. Are you a little disappointed that you didn't make the Bottom of YouTube list, considering that, you know, you do make substandard videos?
Disappointed? Oh, hell no. I am really upset because I am the substandard leader in Vancouver at the bottom of YouTube.
You know, I can imagine you're a little upset because, you know what, being the bottom of YouTube is quite a big deal, I would say. But, you know, I also heard another Vancouver person was up for an award. I heard for most toxic person on the YouTube. Is that true?
Yes, that is true. Loser Screw 1? No, Line Screw 1, I think that's his name. He was voted nominated for most toxic YouTuber because he is harassing Caroline. I can't remember Caroline's RV channel, but yeah, he's like every second video he's cutting her down and harassing her and stalking her and saying all kinds of bad things. You know? Oh, that's so bad. You should only have kindness.
Well, you know, that's really too bad to hear, because on my channel, we think the key to being awesome is kindness and helping each other out, not like putting each other down and trying to fight with each other. So I think we should be doing a little bit more kindness rather than trolling people on YouTube. Well, sir, I just want to say thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to talk with us and chat with us a little bit. You know, I'm thinking that maybe, just maybe, they could come up with another award for people who have had a hard time in life, who went through some struggles and issues and are trying to overcome them. They could call it the Black Cat Award for people who have had bad luck. Kind of like Bad Luck Chuck. That makes sense, right? You know, not everybody lives in a van because they want to. Some are forced to because, yeah, too many reasons to even mention here. Anyways, that might be a good idea. Bottom of YouTube, Black Cat Award. That's my suggestion.
Good, good. Go away. I can finally get some sleep in after all these freaking trains stop chewing down these streets here. Anyways. Huh.
So there you have it, my friends. A brief interview with Bad Luck Chuck, the bottom of YouTube creator, here living in a van under a bridge. And you know what? Next time we're going to come back with some more video of who knows what I'm going to post. You never know on Life of Chuck. So until next time, until that next video, we're going to say stay awesome, be kind, and cheers. Thanks for watching, guys.